everybody. Time for another one of Mike's Moments. What's the big word everybody's talking about today? Inflation. We're seeing it and feeling it everywhere. At the gas pump, the grocery store, clothes for the kids, and also, yes, your insurance. So I came outside, I came to this house being built in Central Virginia, just as a little background to make out some points. Your homeowner's premiums more than likely are going to be increasing. And as a comment on the industry as a whole, the homeowners industry, when COVID hit and prices were going crazy, the whole industry kind of just took a pause and didn't take any quick action, hoping that it was going to be temporary. And we've all lived through the pandemic, and it's been a couple of years, and those crazy prices, they're not as bad as they were. There's been some correction, but things are still going up, and they're not going to go back to pre-COVID levels. So as far as the industry, we're starting to see rate increases because they have to protect, the insurance company, the industry, when you have a standard homeowner policy, they are responsible to return you the condition you were in prior to the loss. If you have hardwood floors and your house burns up, they can't go in with plywood and carpet. They got to go back with hardwood floors. So when you take a look at a construction job, all of that material, the concrete, the plywood, the 2x4s, the labor per hour, everything is more expensive. So if you've got a house that was insured for the dwelling of $220,000, well, you can't build that house today for $220,000. It's probably going to take $260,000. And that's what we're starting to see. Carriers are increasing the dwelling A coverage amount, and that's causing rates to go up. So it doesn't mean you don't have any choices. There's always choices, and we're very pleased because we are an independent agent. We've got a number of carriers, and it's always good to review your policy because you might have coverages that you don't need anymore, and at the same time you might be short someplace. But review the coverages, quote it with different carriers, and we can make sure you're getting the best deal possible. So that's what I wanted to talk to you today. Yes, inflation's here, we're all feeling it, but it affects everything. It's affecting gas, groceries, clothes, and yes, it's affecting insurance. And it's the same thing with car insurance. The paint to fix your car is more expensive. The labor rate, to paint, to repair, to remove, the parts, everything's more expensive. And as a result, yes, the property and casualty, home and auto insurance industry is definitely hardening. If you have a question, you're concerned, you'd like to check things out, please give us a call. 434-295-2692. Send us an email, mike@mikearnoldagency.com. And we'll be glad to try to earn your business. And if we're already helping you, we absolutely are pleased to do everything we can to make sure you're getting the proper service and that we are protecting your current assets and future income. Thanks for tuning in, and look forward to seeing you again on the next Mike's Moment.